Hi everyone, Pani omoni bo ote dice starter ipsan star for V is tukawisiskiruwake chu o 6. Now I am going to install it. The reason for the replacement about this will be a separate video. And now I need to check it before installation. Now I will show you how to do it. So actually, what can we check here? We always have on the label or on the body indicates the direction of rotation of the starter, and we check the bendix. It must rotate in the direction that is indicated on the body. I mean, look, it's spinning, but it must not rotate in the opposite direction in any case. Well, it won't. So, roughly speaking, it must always rotate freely in one direction only. Don't forget about safety. Check it away from the battery. Never on the battery. First, connect to the battery. No. Only then short circuit the battery. Connect to the battery, and only then close the contacts on the starter. Checking should be done either in a well-ventilated room or outdoors, and do not use a battery that has just been removed from charging or from the car after a trip, as it may still emit hydrogen. Proceed to the test, making the connections we need. Minus. We connected to the minus of the battery and to the mass of the starter. I twisted the bolt here for a more reliable mass, clamping, tightening, everything, and plus to plus battery plus wire. And while we're at it, first let's check the operation of the retractor relay. It has two windings, retracting and holding. Let's check the retracting winding. Apply plus to pin 50. This is the ignition switch control kontoku. Here we go. When I applied power, we had the gear forward, so the retracting winding is good. From this stored, I disconnect the terminal so that we do not have a permanent minus, and I attach the wire so that I myself can connect and disconnect the retracting winding if necessary. Now here we have the plus wire. What do? I'm going to apply plus to pin 50 and briefly apply ground to the stud. Let's see what happens. I'm applying plus and touching. Now, we say that the gears are holding. This test must be done quickly, otherwise the winding may overheat and fail. If we need to check the operation of the motor, we can use a plastic stud. If you want the engine to run without the retractor relay, it is said that you simply feed plus to this stud with a pigtail. For convenience, I pedicure this. I will feed it through a screwdriver. Let's see. Now let's simulate a stud. To do that, we feed the plus to this stud. It's usually labeled pin 30. That's the permanent plus with the battery. And now we need to either feed another plus to pin 50, right here, or just short pin 50 in this stud. Here we go. Everything is in good working order. But again, this check is preliminary because it is performed without load. The most important test will be the installation on the engine. To whom the video was useful, put likes, subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.